Let's face it, folks, most of us don't spend much time thinking about how the stuff we use every day gets to us. We buy our coffee, our phones, our clothes, but rarely do we stop and picture the massive ships carrying those goods across vast oceans. That's where the merchant navy comes in. A global workforce keeping the wheels up. And at the heart of it all are the deck cadets, the fresh faces learning the ropes and navigation, literally to become the future captains and officers of this vital industry. These ain't your average college kids. We're talking about young men and women trading classrooms for cargo holds, textbooks for tank soundings, and late night study sessions for 4 a.m. wake-up calls on the high seas. It's a tough job, demanding, and often unforgiving. But for those cut out for it, a life at sea is a rewarding career like no other. So, what does a typical day look like for these maritime apprentices? Buckle up, because we're about to take you on a journey into the life of a deck cadet. Forget hitting the snooze button. For a deck cadet, the day starts before the sun even thinks about rising. It's 4 a.m. and the ship's bridge, the command center of this floating city, is buzzing with activity. Cadet joins the chief officer for the morning navigation watch, a crucial 4-hour shift that's all about keeping the ship on course and safe. Radar screens flicker, charts are meticulously examined, and the constant hum of the engines provides a steady background beat. This isn't just about looking out for other ships. It's about understanding weather patterns, interpreting navigational equipment, and developing the kind of situational awareness that only comes with experience. It's a crash course, pun intended, in the art of seamanship. Once the morning watch is over, there's no time for lounging around. A deck cadet's work is as varied as the cargo they carry. One minute they might find themselves knee-deep in the bowels of the ship, taking manual soundings of water ballast tanks. It's a dirty job, but someone's got to do it. And it provides a crucial check on the ship's stability. Next, you could be off to the deck for maintenance work. We're talking chipping rust, painting, greasing winches, and generally making sure everything is ship-shape, literally. And when it's time to load or unload cargo, the cadets are right there in the thick of it, learning the ropes of cargo handling from the experienced crew. Evening watch and the cadet's diary documenting the journey. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in a blaze of orange and purple, it's time for the evening navigation watch. Another 4 hours on the bridge, reinforcing the lessons learned during the day and honing those essential seafaring skills. But the learning doesn't stop there. Every night before turning in, the cadet opens their training and assessment record, or TAR, book. This isn't your average diary. It's a detailed log of everything they've learned, every task they've performed, and every challenge they've overcome. Also updating it for distance learning program. It's a testament to their hard work, their dedication, and their journey to becoming a qualified officer. From bulk carriers to container ships, a world of experience awaits. Life as a deck cadet isn't just about long hours and hard work. It's about exploring the world, experiencing different cultures, and forging bonds with a diverse crew that becomes a second family. From the bustling ports of Asia to the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean, every day brings new sights, sounds, and smells. And the type of ship they're on can make all the difference. Working on a massive bulk carrier hauling iron ore is a whole different ball game than navigating a container ship through a busy shipping lane. Each vessel presents its own unique challenges and learning opportunities, shaping the cadet into a well-rounded maritime professional. So if you're not afraid of hard work, crave adventure, and have a thirst for knowledge, then a career in the merchant navy might be just the ticket. Check out your local Maritime Academy's website. For India, it is DG Shipping. Who knows, you might just find yourself at the helm of a ship, charting a course for a brighter future. For more such updates, follow and subscribe to Cap Sibish. A lot more interesting topics coming up.